Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background here in CapCut. So I'm going to show you two ways. So the first one is the free one. So and obviously the second is the pro feature, using the pro feature. So first, you just have to pick two same pictures and align them and search for effects, this one, and put it on the second picture. So to see the blur effect, you just have to click this one, hide track, and you can adjust the blur effect here. So let's say I'll go for 51 or 55. And after that, you just have to click this show track again. So the first way or the first step here is to click this first picture and click this custom removal. Go to video, remove background, and go to custom removal. So let's see. Let's You just have to click this brush and let's just paint ourselves. You just have to be very, very careful, guys. So this one is the free, using the free features. It's a little bit hard. You have to put work on it. But yeah, it's free. So you just have to brush yourself here and be very, very careful. Yeah, I'll make the brush bigger. So as you can see, it barely, you know, blur the background. So you just have to be very, very careful with it. But the second one is very different from the other one and very easy. You just have to click this one, this button, auto removal. And here it goes. As you can see, the background is already blurred. So thanks for watching, guys.